Is TapTap Send available in Pakistan? If you're wondering whether TapTap Send is accessible for users in Pakistan, the good news is TapTap Send is available in Pakistan. This makes it a convenient and affordable option for sending and receiving money internationally. The platform has gained popularity for its low fees, competitive exchange rates, and quick transfer times, making it an excellent choice for users across the country. TapTap Send supports transactions directly to Pakistani bank accounts, ensuring that recipients can easily access their funds. Whether you're sending money to loved ones, paying for services, or handling business payments, the process is seamless and user-friendly. For senders outside Pakistan, the app or website provides a straightforward way to initiate transfers with just a few clicks. The platform also prioritizes security, using robust encryption and adhering to financial regulations to protect your transactions and personal information. To use TapTap Send in Pakistan, recipients simply need to provide their bank account details, while senders can complete the process through the app or website. In a nutshell, TapTap Send is available in Pakistan and offers a safe, fast, and cost-effective way to handle international money transfers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.